This
By
man.
talking about equity, equity should be southeast. Anything less than southeast is not equity. It can go back to the north. Why should I allow them to take it when they have done presidency before? We are only wiser today. We are wise people. We are no longer the mumu they used to cheat. We are not just doing our business.
You have a game plan right now?
Yes, of course. I will unfold it.
You think say they wise?
Because you can't continue on letting us to vote for you. You don't vote for us. If we vote for you, you vote for us. If you will see what you see in 2023 will be new Igbo thinking. The new Igbo thinking will be, if you give me, I give you. If you don't give me, I don't give you. We have voted for President Obasanjo. We have voted for President Jonathan. We have voted for Vice President Osinbajo. They should find sincerity in their mind to vote for us.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
And you said that it was a time for Igbo presidency at a time. Do you think it's still time for Igbo presidency in 2027?
Well, I'm in a party where we have made a decision to feed President Tinubu for the second time. Even if I feel that it's for Igbo presidency, those thoughts are no longer visible because I'm caged up in a party where I have signed.
They never show you say
to nominate President Tinubu.
In the scheme of things, does he still leave a sour taste in the mouth of the people of your region?
No, let me tell you, we really need presidency, but if a president can be fair to all Nigerians and be fair to all zones and be fair and bring justice and equity, nobody should be thinking about where the president comes from. What Nigerian people is asking for.
Is President Tinubu fair to your people?
Well, I'm not in position to say now. All I know, you are giving them whatever constitutional to say. When you are in position of authority, there are a lot of hits from everywhere. So President Tinubu is trying to address these issues.
But you don't think that the Igbos have been fairly treated just yet?
No,
since
after the Civil War, Igbos have not been fairly treated. I've told you this many times. I don't hide in saying it. Igbos have not been fairly treated in all over Nigeria. And I want Nigerians to know that they need to reabsorb the Igbos and play on the rules with the Igbos the way it's supposed to play, so that everybody will be equal, that the country will develop.
What would be fair to be done to the Igbos that will make the Igbos think that they are part of the politics
and put them
of the nation?
as a part of the country?
How?
Which President Tinubu is trying to do now.
You are a mumu man.
Bring them back.
He's trying to do, but he has not done it.
No, he's doing it. I mean, our roads are improving, our everything are improving on the way, unlike the way they were left before. Before, nobody talks about the express road. Look at it. Done the Port Harcourt express road going to Port Harcourt, doing the Enugu Lokpanta express road. Is doing a lot of roads in our area, a lot, and a lot of investment that President Tinubu is doing, particularly in my state.
Do you think that this issue that you are saying, this marginalization or not being unfair, do you think a lack of trust? Do you think it's one of the reasons why an Igbo man has not been Nigerian president since 1999?
I might think so.
You think that Igbos are seen as second-class citizens in this country?
Well, whether they are or not, I don't feel so. It's not written on me.
And that's why your ambition of wanting to be president, you still have that ambition.
I still have the ambition. I'm competent to be president of Nigeria. Are you very competent?
But it's not in 2027.
No, it's not. I'm supporting President Tinubu.
So imagine if a Southerner becomes president in 2027, that's after 4 years, and I'm imagining now you as a grandfather now, by the time another Southerner will get a chance, that will be in another 12 years. 12 years plus your age now, you'll be in your 80s.
No, I'm 65.
Yeah, for 12 plus 12.
What will I be?
You'll be like 78 or close to 80.
President Trump is 79.
So you still can be president
at 79? Yes, of course. If I'm healthy, if God give me life and good health. The question is not age. The question is competency. What is in my brain I need to deliver? It's not when or where. It is how ready you are.
You want to please others and displease yourself. Now they never leave you. They have left you behind. We must learn a lesson. The only thing that can guarantee our freedom is the independence of Biafra.